camera shifts, no longer distant, no longer observing. Now we become the technician. You try to move it, nothing. The joint is fused solid. The locomotive shows heavy rust and several seized components. We need to check for structural weakness near the boiler before we attempt recovery.
Balance. A small industrial tank locomotive, fully seized, extreme corrosion, no mobility. Low clearance.
In the distance, the truck approaches carefully, navigating the soft ground, its weight pressing into the earth.
Hold tension.
Bring it left.
Lock that point. Hold there.
Angle's good.
Don't overpull.
The cables remain fully tensioned. The pull continues, slow, steady, and relentless.
Then the second, each movement controlled, deliberate, practiced, no suddenness.
The cables are gone. The machine rests. But the work continues. The camera widens. A heavy transport.
The crane activates. A low hydraulic hum fills the silence.
Slow! Almost there, easy down.
Contact on the wheels. Weight is transferring.
The truck begins to move. The engine of the transport truck starts. A low, powerful rumble. The truck begins to move.
The straps tighten. Tension builds. Then the locomotive lifts, slowly rising from the trailer. The weight
Left, hold, down.
Work begins. A technician steps forward with just a simple brush. Another technician uses compressed air and dust.
Technicians move slowly along the body, spraying, rinsing, letting decades of dirt wash away without disturbance.
A wrench turns, slow and resistant. Bolts haven't moved in decades. A sharp crack, one.
Slow, resistant.
A breaker bar is applied. Slow pressure, the metal resists. Then, a deep metallic crack.
The machine is exposed, raw.
Brushed carefully across the metal. It doesn't shine, it doesn't restore, it stabilizes. The color deepens slightly, the texture remains. This is preservation.
A liquid is applied. Dark, subtle, brushed carefully across the metal. It doesn't shine, it doesn't restore, it stabilizes. The wheels, heavy, frozen for decades, now they are the focus. Grinding, brushing. The parts are ready, prepared, not perfect, but stable. Now, color enters the story. The first layer has settled. Now, coverage expands, the spray returns.
More consistent.
More complete.
The entire machine fills in.
completes the frame. For the first time, we see it all.
Multiple technicians surround the locomotive, working in sync.
A liquid is introduced, sprayed across the surface. Not water alone, a chemical. It spreads slowly.
The grinding slows, the tools fall silent. Now a different method begins. A liquid
High-pressure streams hit the surface, washing away the chemical. Dark liquid flows downward. Rust residue and chemical runoff.
The reaction has done its work. Now, it must be stopped. Water returns. But this time, not.
The locomotive is no longer just decay, it is structure again. The faded words, still there, but weak.
The water slows. Drips remain. The surface breathes for the first time in decades.
The water fades. Technicians step closer. Just eyes and hands. They trace the surface, feel the texture, check the seams, and inspect the imperfections.
The inspection is done. Now correction begins. Tools return, but not aggressive.
Does that look secure enough for the blasting?
Yeah, just press down the tape firmly here.
The first pass begins. A soft cloud of primer fills the air. Gray spreads across the board.
Chips. Fine abrasive pads move slowly across the primer. Dust rises, soft, light. The surface changes.
Fine abrasive pads move slowly across the primer. Dust rises, soft, the surface changes.
You got that panel aligned?
Yeah, she's flush. Torque it down.
The moment arrives. Color returns. The machine takes its first breath of identity. The spray.
But look closer. It is not finished. The surface is still soft, still curing.
They move slowly, carefully. Edges are cleaned, details sharpened, small corrections made.
Every detail brought into focus. This is not rebuilding, this is refinement. The final touch.
A valve turns. Steam escapes. Soft at first, then stronger. White vapor bursts in a sound. Deep Metallic.
The moment arrives. The machine holds, then moves. Slowly. The machine holds, then moves. Slowly.